Hi, I'm Erin Mascaro. Many of you know me as Erin Riley. This is my sister, Lisa Riley. You may remember her. She was an instructor over at Grove Street about 30 years ago. 9 years ago, Lisa and I started Sounds of Silence Friends of the Postpartum Resource Center of New York after she battled postpartum depression. For the past 9 years, we've hosted an event over at Jones Beach, a 5K run, walk, and stroller walk for moms and families everywhere to break the silence that day for postpartum depression. This year, our 8th annual Run, Walk, Stroller Walk will take place at Jones Beach on May 14th. And from the start, Cor and Ken have always been a supporter of our mission and always wanted to do more. This year, we bring the event to Fitness Incentive. May 7th, we ask our Fitness Incentive family for your support and dedicate your workout in honor of Lisa. We will be on hand collecting donations in her honor to benefit the Postpartum Resource Center of New York.